Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great small sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2012 Jaguar XF. This Jaguar is powered by rear-wheel drive V8 engine, automatic transmission, and has 39,633 miles. Unleash luxury with this stunning 2012 Jaguar XF. Experience powerful performance, elegant design, and advanced technology. Elevate your drive today with this exceptional pre-owned vehicle. Don't miss out, schedule a test drive now. This pre-owned XF comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, power seats. To keep you entertained, this Jaguar XF is equipped with Bluetooth navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.